Hello everyone. Yes, class 4th. This is our last video of chapter 4. Okay. So in the previous videos, no, we will not talk about all the previous videos. In the last video, we have discussed about life cycle of an ant. Life cycle of an ant. That was very interesting. Okay. Now today, our last topic is life cycle of a frog. Life cycle of a frog. So today we will discuss about that. Again, there are 4 stages in the life cycle of a frog, that through which stages that frog has undergone to become an adult frog from an egg. Okay, so today we will discuss that stages. So first one is first stage. This is very interesting, beta, and there are lots of changes. So please listen carefully. There are lots of changes in the during the life cycle of a frog, or you can say in the stages of the frog. There are various changes that we will read. So first is the laying of eggs. The laying of eggs. So frogs lay their eggs in water or at wet places. They always lay their eggs in water or at wet places. ठीक है. और जेली लाइक कवरिंग सराउंड्स देयर एग्स. कहते हैं उनके एग्स के अराउंड एक जेली लाइक कवरिंग होती है. ठीक है. अ फ्लोटिंग क्लम्प ऑफ एग्स इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉग स्पैन. क्या बोलते हैं इसको बेटा? अ फ्लोटिंग क्लम्प ऑफ एग्स इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉग स्पैन. इसका क्या मीनिंग है बेटा? दैट फ्रॉग नेवर्स ले डाउन अ सिंगल एग. फ्रॉग नेवर लेज डाउन अ सिंगल एग. ऑलवेज it lays down the eggs in groups. Eggs in groups, like near about 5-7 eggs, 5-10 eggs, okay, 9-10 eggs, so like this. So togetherly there is a common covering. There is a common covering around all the eggs. Not single egg is covered by a jelly like covering. Commonly covering is there around all the eggs. Okay, so that एंड दैट कवरिंग इज जेली लाइक कवरिंग होती है. जेली बेटा, जेली यू नो ना, आप जेली वाली कैंडीज भी ईट करते हो. सो दैट इज स्लिपरी इन टच. वो क्या होती है? स्लिपरी सी होती है. सो वाई देयर इज जेली लाइक कवरिंग? वाई? सो दैट व्हेन इट लेज डाउन इट्स एग्स इन द वाटर, ड्यू टू दैट जेली लाइक कवरिंग, अदर small organisms or fishes or other frogs, they cannot eat their eggs because they become slippery in touch. That's why it is not able to other animals to eat that eggs. So they cannot able to eat that eggs for the other animals. ठीक है. तो दूसरे एनिमल्स उसको ईट नहीं कर सकते ड्यू टू दैट जेली लाइक कवरिंग, बिकॉज इट बिकम्स स्लिपरी इन टच. सो दैट्स वाई there is jelly like covering around their eggs. So a floating clump of eggs is called frog span. तो कहते हैं जब फ्लोटिंग क्लम्प मतलब जब ग्रुप्स में एग्स जो हैं वाटर के सरफेस के ऊपर फ्लोट करते हैं, तो उन ग्रुप्स को, उन एग्स के ग्रुप को हम क्या बोलते हैं? फ्लोटिंग ग्रुप को. दैट इज कॉल्ड फ्रॉग स्पैन. ओके. द क्लम्प ऑफ एग्स इज लार्ज. कहते वो क्या होते हैं? लार्ज होते हैं, मतलब काफ़ी ज़्यादा होते हैं एग्स. नॉट अ सिंगल एग इज़ देयर. नियर अबाउट 9-10 eggs are there. So a common covering around them is there, jelly like covering, and then it becomes slippery and it is too big to be eaten by fish or other frogs. तो वो ग्रुप जो है एग्स का इतना बड़ा बन जाता है that it is very difficult for the other organisms to eat that clump, to eat that group of eggs. Okay, or you can say they become also slippery in touch. That's why also the other organisms cannot eat them. Now next is, but certain creatures living near or inside the water sometimes eat the smaller clumps of eggs. But कहते हैं कई बार बेटा कुछ माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिजम्स ऐसे होते हैं, फिशेस ऐसी होती हैं जो स्मॉलर क्लम्प्स को ईट भी कर जाती हैं. व्हेन देयर आर 4-5 eggs are there, 4-5 group of eggs are there, then it is easy for the other organisms to eat that. But a larger clump they cannot eat. So This was the first stage in the life cycle of a frog, that is the laying of eggs. As you can see here in the picture, adult frog, here is a egg, ठीक है, an egg is laid down by an adult frog. Here they have shown only a single egg, but the frog lays down its eggs in a clump. Now next is second stage, that is formation of a tadpole. After about 21 days, कहते 21 days के बाद tadpole emerges from some of the eggs. Okay, तो tadpole emerges, butterfly और उसमें क्या होता था बेटा, ant में और silk moth में larva emerges from the eggs, but here there is no larva. Here tadpole emerges from the eggs. एग में से क्या निकलता है, टैडपोल. नाउ अ टैडपोल हैज़ अ टेल बट नो लिम्स. टैडपोल की टेल होती है बट इसकी कोई लिम्स नहीं होती, लेग्स वगैरह नहीं होती, ठीक है. दिस टाइनी टैडपोल जो है, these eat small plants found in the water. They have lot of enemies around them, so they camouflage themselves for protection. They breathe through their gills. कहते जो ये बेटा टैडपोल्स होते हैं ये वाटर में ही रहते हैं, and they have so many enemies around them like fish and other organisms. So how they protect themselves? They camouflage themselves. Camouflage का क्या मीनिंग होता है, that they change their color of skin. They change their color of skin. So in this way they protect themselves from their enemies and they feed on plants only. Initially they feed on plants only. वो क्या eat करते हैं, plants ही eat करते हैं बेटा tadpoles, and they remain in water. And while remaining in water, तो how they breathe, ठीक है. इनिशियली बेटा tadpole में क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं, गिल्स. क्या प्रेजेंट होते हैं, गिल्स प्रेजेंट होते हैं. सो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दैट गिल्स दे ब्रीद इन वाटर. ओके, सो दिस इज द सेकेंड स्टेज, दैट एन टैडपोल, a tadpole emerges from an egg. एग में से एक tadpole निकलता है, and it depends upon food, plants for their food, and initially it feeds on plants only, and it has lots of enemies around it like fishes and other organisms. So how it protects itself? By changing the color of its skin. Okay, and it has no limbs, it has only tail, it has no limbs, इसकी सिर्फ tail होती है. and in water it breathes through its gills. starting में बेटा इसके gills होते हैं. okay, now come on the third stage, development of legs. in the third stage legs जो है बेटा they begins to appear. so after about 5 weeks, अब 5 weeks के बाद क्या होता है, the tadpole starts to grow its hind legs and the fore legs. ठीक है, after 5 weeks the hind legs and fore legs starts appearing and round structures appear behind its head. These form its eyes, and after that eye formation is also there, and at this stage its tail starts diminishing and lung formation starts. कहता है इस स्टेज पे बेटा क्या क्या कुछ होता है. this is the next stage. so in this stage what happens, that इसकी जो हाइंड लेग्स एंड जो फोर लेग्स हैं दे स्टार्ट्स अपीयरिंग, एंड आइज फॉर्मेशन इज ऑल्सो देयर, एंड टेल स्टार्ट्स डिमिनिशिंग. मतलब जो टेल है वो क्या हो जाती है, ख़त्म होनी शुरू हो जाती है. आपने कभी फ्रॉक की टेल देखी है, नहीं देखी ना, तो हमेशा टैडपोल की टेल होती है. व्हेन इट ग्रोज, जैसे जैसे ये ग्रो करता जाता है जो इसकी टेल है वो ख़त्म होनी शुरू हो जाती है, एंड जो इसके लंग्स हैं दे स्टार्ट्स डिवेलपिंग. अब इस स्टेज पे क्या हो रहे हैं, इसके लंग्स डिवेल्प हो रहे हैं इस स्टेज पे. ओके, नाउ फोर्थ पॉइंट इज अदर डिवेलपमेंट्स. लंग्स डिवेल्प टू प्रिपेयर the frog to live on land. Obviously when there will be development of lungs, then obviously it can live on land. It can come out from the water and it can live on land also, because on land it always breathe with the help of its lungs. ठीक है, और जो गिल्स है बेटा, गिल्स दे बिकम डिसअपेयरिंग, वो डिसअपियर हो जाएंगे, एंड लंग फॉर्मेशन विल बी देयर. तो जब लंग्स इसके डिवेल्प हो गए, देन आफ्टर दैट इट कैन ब्रीद ऑन द लैंड ऑल्सो. ओके, इट कैन कम आउट फ्रॉम द वाटर ऑन लैंड ऑल्सो. They now start coming to the surface of water to breathe in air. Now with the help of lungs. When the lungs development is there, now frog can come out on the surface of water and it can breathe in air also. Some frogs at this stage eat eggs of other frogs and tadpoles. After some time, the frogs shed their skin, the tail becomes very smaller and legs grow bigger. You can see here 3 months old, they have written na 3 months old. So after some time क्या होता है बेटा, जो tail है वो बिल्कुल ही छोटी सी, the tail becomes very smaller and legs जो है इसकी hind legs and fore legs they grow bigger in size, they grow bigger in size. And next is the lungs also start functioning well, and at this stage after when it is 3 months old, then lungs also starts working in a good manner. Okay, the lungs development now proper is there. Okay, in all, from the time of laying eggs to the formation of a frog, it takes about 11 weeks. कहते eggs से लेके जब तक ये adult frog नहीं बनता, तो how much time it takes? 11 weeks. How much time it takes totally? 11 weeks. Okay, now the tail disappears totally and the frog is fully developed to live outside water. अब कहते हैं when after some time now the adult frog is there, formation of adult frog is there and tail disappears totally. जो इसकी tail है वो बिल्कुल ही ख़त्म हो गई and it grows in size, it becomes bigger in size. Now it is ready to live on land also. Now it is ready to live on land also. Okay, now the frog comes out on land and mostly lives on land. कहते हैं फ्रॉग बाहर आ सकता है लैंड के ऊपर एंड दे मोस्टली लिव्स ऑन लैंड. दे कैन लिव इन वाटर ऑल्सो but mostly they lives on land. This small frog eats insects and worms. You all know that what frogs eat, they eat small insects and worms. When the frog is fully grown, it finds a mate for reproduction. कहते जब ये पूरा ग्रो हो जाता है, then it finds a mate, then it finds a female frog, it finds a female frog for reproduction. ठीक है, and after that female frog again lays down the eggs and whole process is repeated. So this is the life cycle of a frog, that how, or you can say what are the various stages in the life cycle of a frog. Again I am giving you an overview that first of all eggs are laid down by the female frog. The floating clump of eggs, that is called frog span. ठीक है, after a few days or weeks, ठीक है, tadpole emerges from the eggs. Tadpole निकलता है. Tadpole has no eyes or legs, it has only tail and it depends upon plants only in water and it has so many enemies. So how it protect itself? By camouflage, or you can say by changing the color of its skin. So after few weeks the tail starts diminishing. जो tail है बेटा वो ख़त्म होनी शुरू हो जाती है and its forelegs and hind legs starts developing. And at this stage also gills start disappearing and lungs formation is there. When lung formation is there, then it is ready to come on the outer surface of the water, to breathe in air due to the lung formation. So when it is 3 months old, then the tail again starts disappearing, or tail becomes very smaller and legs grow bigger in size. And after a few weeks, after several weeks, then adult frog is there and it grows bigger in size, his legs grow also, and then it finds a female mate for reproduction. Again female frog lays down the eggs and whole process is repeated. So this is the life cycle of a frog beta, and this is also very interesting. When you will read, you will really enjoy this life cycle. You will really enjoy that कि अच्छा मम्मा ये ऐसा होता है. पहले टेडपोल उसकी टेल भी होती है, उसके गिल्स भी होते हैं, फिर उसकी टेल ऐसे ख़त्म होती है धीरे धीरे, उसकी लेग्स डिवेल्प होती हैं, गिल्स डिसअपियर हो जाते हैं, फिर लंग्स डिवेल्प होते हैं. सो इन दिस वे these are the life stages, that how a frog formed from an egg. Okay, so this was our chapter. This was our last video of our chapter. If you did not understand anything बेटा, अगर आपको कोई भी चीज़ नहीं समझ आई, then you can call me at any time after 1 o'clock, because till 1 o'clock there are my classes on Zoom app. So after 1 o'clock you can call me at any time till 6 o'clock. From 1 to 6 o'clock you can call me, or you can do WhatsApp me. You can WhatsApp me also with your problem. I'm always for you, and you can ask me anything. Okay beta, so please read this chapter. This is very easy and very interesting chapter, so please read this chapter. Now we will meet again with our new chapter. Okay, till then, bye bye everyone.